Hi guys, it's me Marisa Wahyukunyasari. Surely you all already know the famous social media Instagram, which has many interesting features. One of which is Instagram features, it's Instagram Stories, where Instagram Stories have filter features for your photography and videography needs. So, you may be thinking, how to make a filter on Instagram? To answer it, I would like to demonstrate how to make your own Instagram filter in today's video. Check it out. Okay, the materials you need to prepare. First is the Spock AR Studio application. You can download the application on the official Spock AR website at spockar.facebook.com/ar-studio/download. Second is a photo editor application. You are free to use any application. Here I use the Polar application, which can be downloaded on the Polar official website www.polar.com/windows, or you can also use the application on your cell phone. Third is an important file that you must download, Fastload and FastColorLoad. You can download these two files at bit.ly/insta-lut. Okay, after you have finished preparing and downloading the file, you can just open the Polar or photo editor application to edit the Fastload file. So, let's move on the computer screen. First, you can open the Polar application. It looks like this. And then open Photos. The first thing you must look for is the Fastload file in the download folder. There is the Fastload file. Okay, this is the Fastload file. And then you just add it to your own in the menu on the left of this application. Or you can adjustment the photos in the right of this application like this. Okay, I will use the adjustments, not the filter layout. Okay, I finished my editing. Then you can click the save sign in the format. Okay, next we go to the Spock AR Studio application. First, you click the grid new and then like project. You can ignore this. Okay. And then you can change the visualization. You can check it by your own. I would like to use this. Okay, first you can import the file Fastload and FastColorLoad from computer. This and click open. Okay, after finish, you can click the plus notification too. Then in the right section,
can setting the compression on iOS automatic and Android automatic and older Android automatic. Then you can click the menu camera, and then click the texture extraction, add this, and then camera texture, and in this texture extraction, appear camera texture 0. Then you must go to the view menu, this, and then click the show patch editor. Click the show patch editor, and it looks like this. Then you must drag the fast color loop in this patch editor. Drag camera texture, and then you move the drag baseline in the patch editor too. Then connect the camera texture to the fast color, this texture too, and the best loop image in the loop. Okay, it looks like this. Alright, when the appearance looks like this, you can click the add object and then type the canvas. Click the canvas or enter. Then add object and then add rectangle. It looks like this in this visualization. And then click the size in the width and height. You can choose the fill width. Then you can choose the fill height. And it looks like this in the file simulation. Okay, after you setting the size of the width and height, you can click the materials and it looks like this. Okay, after you click the material in here, you see the material in the left and click this. After you click the material on the left, then you can see again at the right bar there is the texture. Click the texture and then appear and look like this. Then connect the fast color to the material. Filter is done. Look like this. Export the filter on the file menu. File, then the publish. And export. And then rename the file as your own. Okay. After you export your filter file from Stock AR Studios, you have to open your browser on your computer or laptop and you search facebook.com/sparkar/dashboard. And first you must to log into your Facebook account like this. And then after you log into your Facebook account, the website appears like this. And this is my previous filter that I have made before. And then after the appearance of the website look like this, And then you can add the name of the filter in this section. I would like to give the light. Okay, and then you can upload the file, the .arexport. After you successfully uploaded the filter on the website, you must upload your demonstration video from the filter that you made before. You can upload the icon too from your gallery. Okay, after successfully uploaded, you must send the filter to the website, on the website. Alright, your filter has been successfully and uploaded on Instagram. Now, you just need to wait for your filter to be reviewed by Instagram.
How? Very easy, isn't it? Let's create your own filter, and thank you for watching this video. Bye!